Lisa, I wanted to ask you, how did you come to find out about AYAMA?
I found out about it through Yoga Alliance. There was a 1 hour session that you gave online and on stop stretching.
Yes.
And I thought, I need to hear more about what this is all about.
Yes. How has the AYAMA really helped you a lot?
It's really helped me to have more range of motion.
Yes.
And more stability, specifically like in my neck, turning like this.
You have more range of motion in your neck.
Yeah.
That is so great.
And better balancing, so.
Nice, nice. What would you say to people who haven't done AYAMA before, but are like thinking about it? Like your yoga teacher that is still teaching stretching. Like, what would you say to people that are sort of on the fence and kind of like are questioning its validity or whether or not they should dive in and do it?
I just feel like it's a preventative for pain going forward too.
Yes.
And that's what I was really interested in.
Yes.
And you learn so much more about your anatomy. And I think it's just important to know as much about yourself as possible.
That's beautiful. So you've been here with me in Dallas and doing this workshop. What was like a big thing that you got out of this weekend?
I think doing the assessments really helped me a lot.
Okay.
I know there are other things, I have them in my notes, but I feel wonderful. I feel energized.
Awesome. Awesome.
And it was just nice meeting with you in person to know that what I was doing, following you online, I was using good form.
Yes. Nice. You're using great form.
Oh, good. Okay.
Thank you so much.